equipment. Gotta get some fuel. Self-service. Gotta get to work. Gotta get some diesel at our 529. And yes, we're a customer. Another beautiful day in Portland, Oregon. Got the equipment here. Do any job. Make it quick and easy. That's what we're gonna be using. Scissor lifts, man lifts, whatever it takes. By the way, today's current price is October 5, 2022 at the Fred Meyer. Driving to get some materials for today. Shopping at Gutterall. They got everything. Gutters, downspouts, coil, brackets, elbows. They're located in Clackamas, Oregon, right off Industrial. Pulling up to the store, grab some materials. Here they are. Famous gutter company, the Gutterall. Get your materials super fast. Tilt trailer, amazing. And our race car driver. Got one man lift off, one to go. This was a 32-foot Pepe Rentals. Under $1,000 for 1 week with the trailer. Don't be afraid to use it for a job site. Make it comfortable. Amazing. Loading coil. Picking up materials from these guys, Gutterall. And there's a guy working here, Mike, and he left me a big cookie. Best place to get your rentals in Portland, Oregon. Man lifts, scissor lifts, forklifts. You need it, they got it.